How does mental illness impact criminal behavior? If you've ever wondered how mental illness affects criminal behavior, you're not alone. This is a complex and often misunderstood topic, so let's break it down. First, it's important to clear up a common misconception. People with mental illness are not inherently more violent or prone to crime. In fact, research shows that individuals with mental illness are more likely to be victims of violent crime than perpetrators. However, there are some instances where mental illness can contribute to criminal behavior. For example, if someone with a severe mental illness does not receive adequate treatment, they may be more likely to engage in violent behavior. This is particularly true if they are experiencing delusions, paranoia, or are under the influence of their psychiatric illness, such as command hallucinations. Substance use disorders play a significant role here. When individuals with a major psychiatric illness also have a comorbid substance use disorder, the risk of committing a crime or violent act increases significantly. In fact, studies have shown that the rise in violent crime committed by individuals with mental illness can often be attributed to a history of alcohol or drug use. The way society and the criminal justice system handle mental illness also affects the situation. The closure of state psychiatric hospitals and the lack of mental health resources have led to many psychiatric patients ending up on the streets, where they are more likely to come into contact with law enforcement. This can result in them being arrested for minor crimes and spending more time in jail compared to the general population. In prisons, individuals with mental illness are at a higher risk of violent behavior, but this is often due to the lack of adequate treatment and the stressful environment of the prison, rather than the mental illness itself. It's also crucial to note that the media's portrayal of mental illness can exacerbate the problem. When news reports simplify complex issues by attributing criminal behavior solely to mental illness, it perpetuates stigma and misunderstandings. This can prevent people from seeking the treatment they need and can lead to harsher punishments rather than rehabilitation. To address this issue effectively, an interprofessional team approach is necessary. This includes psychiatrists, social workers, and patient advocates working together to identify at-risk patients early and provide them with the resources they need to avoid contact with the criminal justice system. For those already in the system, targeted rehabilitation, education, and empowerment programs are essential. In summary, while mental illness itself is not a primary cause of criminal behavior, untreated mental illness and comorbid substance use disorders can increase the risk. Addressing these issues through proper treatment and support can significantly reduce the likelihood of criminal behavior and improve the lives of individuals with mental illness.